Alright, good morning everybody. I'll tell you guys a little bit later all the hiccups I've been having, but long story short, we're at our shipper PCI and they have to get our load ready together to load us, but he at least gave me a dock door down here to go into, so it's going to take about an hour to get everything set up and ready to go. So it looks like we're going to be here for a while. We'll see how it goes. A little tight squeeze through here. Just gotta make sure my door doesn't hit the sign there. Hitting the trees, but it is what it is. So yeah, it's been a crazy, they've changed my loads a few times. The last one was really messed up. I'll go over that when I leave this place, but for now I'm just gonna try to get the backing in here. You say it's kind of tight down here. We're going to go into door 24, and I know the doors are to the left here, and I see a truck out there, trailer out there at least, so I don't know if that's going to be my way or not. We'll see. I don't know what this place is. I know it's, I guess, plastics of some sort, but that's all I know. So let's see, where is door 24? Door 24 is all the way over to that one side, so that'll be kind of easy, it looks like. We'll just bring her around here. As far as I can get her. Back her in. That wasn't too bad. I could have gone over a little further probably, but weird. I wonder how they load this. What I'll do is I'll just back on up and just kind of wait until they tell me what to do. They said they're going to come out and let me know what's next. I'm not really going to put her all the way to the door, but just kind of close enough. Alright, so that's good enough right there for now. So we'll wait here until they come out. So yeah, yesterday they had me go to some food place, drive like 150 miles to find out the load wasn't ready. Wouldn't be ready till the next day, today. So long story short, I said, you got to get me off this load because I have home time. I was supposed to be home Thursday, but that's not happening. So between my dispatcher, I had to call a different dispatcher because I was having a little hard time with my dispatcher, just trying to figure things out. So I called my old dispatcher and she pretty much got a push going and got things rolling. So long story short, they gave me this load. So now this load I get here, there was no correct number for pickup. So I had to wait until my dispatcher went and got that. Took about 10 or 15 minutes. Then I called and they said, oh yeah, we found it. It was for yesterday. And then when they finally found it, they said, okay, hang tight, we'll call you back. So another half hour goes by this morning. And they said, call me up, and they said, okay, come on back to door 24. They said, be very patient with us because it's going to take about an hour to get the load together, which I don't understand because it was supposed to be picked up yesterday. And then I go look at Google reviews, and they're like, stay away from this place because it takes forever to unload, or ever to load. One person said it took 14 hours, and others said 10 hours. So I don't know what I'm up against here, but time-wise, I had to drive 4.5 hours this morning, left about 4 o'clock in the morning to get here by 8. So if everything goes well with this load, if I'm out of here in an hour, I can get this delivered today, which is supposed to be delivered this afternoon. It's just a drop. Then I'm supposed to pick up another trailer loaded to take down to Lakeland, Florida, right near our terminal, right near my house. But if this load takes too long, I'm going to run hours today, and then it's just going to start backing up, because the next load that I pick up, which is a loaded trailer already, it has a live load for Friday at 4 p.m. Well, the time I have left to drive from this point right now, I need every minute I can get. So I don't know what's going to happen. So basically, I guess stay tuned. So hope everybody's having a good day. If this is your first time watching this video, please hit subscribe, and also make sure you click the bell. That'll alert you when my new videos come out, which there will be a lot more. So if you have any comments, questions, or anything, please fill them out at the bottom. I do return all comments usually within about 24 hours or less. So for now, I hope you all have a good day, and stay tuned. We'll see you soon. All right, everybody, we made it here to Johnson & Johnson, which is really DHL. So let's see, they told us to drop it in A37. Let's see. Well, this is A, but there's other letters there. Oh, I guess there's Y. Okay. So A37, which would be down here. Alright, so down here on the left. So again, as we always back in, we always try to stay about 6 feet or so, or closer sometimes, to where we're backing into. So it looks like right next to this reefer here. And basically what we do is he's actually over my way a little bit. Jeez, buddy. Alright, so we're just gonna turn all the way right. Might be able to get this in, do it straight back maybe. Let's see. Yeah, probably can. Alright, let's try that. Crank her all the way to the right. I just got to remember to be on the yellow line, because he's on my yellow line. Alright, so now we use our mirror. Yeah, I'm just going to follow right along that yellow line. Because I get over a little more to the right there. And we'll straighten her out now. And this is all cement, so we don't have to worry about, like in the past where there's a cement pad, we don't have to worry about that. Gonna be tight on that side, but that's not my problem. Alright, straighten her out. And that looks good right about there. Just take a look. Oh, disconnect. They have no empties here for me. Move it back further. So hard to judge. judge when I don't have. Let's see if I can look in this mirror here a little better. Another foot. There we go. That's good. Alright. Alright, so now we'll disconnect. They don't have an empty, so I'm gonna go stay at our yard over in Indy. Hopefully there'll be an empty there. If not, I got to find me one tomorrow. And it was pouring here all day today, so I got here at the perfect time because now it's sunny. Disconnect the airlines, and since we're bobtailing out of here, he's up here. And I'm almost out of time, so I gotta get over to our yard because I ran all day today. I'm using up all my 14-hour day, all of it. Got 48 minutes left. So, for now, everybody, I will sign off, and then we'll pick up tomorrow when I get an empty and get loaded for my run on my way home to Lakeland, Florida. It's about a little over 1,000 mile run, and that's where I'm headed for home time then. So for now, folks, I'm gonna sign off. Again, please click subscribe if it's your first time here, and also click that bell that'll alert you of future videos. And hope you all have a good night, and we will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.